As most of you guys have seen by now, the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge has become pretty popular on Facebook, and the cats are feeling a little left out. So tonight, Timmy was challenged by one of his friends at Nashville Cat Rescue to participate in the Mice Bucket Challenge. And the Mice Bucket Challenge challenges those to make a monetary donation or a donation of toy mice to the cat rescue of their choice. So tonight, Timmy's participating in the Mice Bucket Challenge. Timmy is challenging Salem and Sabrina Parlier, Lucy Graham, JR and Panther Parlier, and Mr. Bob Dylan Shirley to the Mice Bucket Challenge.